Surrealism, a movement founded almost a century ago, is remarkably omnipresent in contemporary culture, not just in the visual arts, but also in advertising, fashion, film, and literature. This course examines the history and impact of Surrealism, beginning with its origins in the Dadaist movement during World War I, founded by artists and writers, some of which were the same age as my students. We study key figures in Surrealism and come to understand why they evolved beyond the punk nihilism of Dada to dream a new way of living, find the marvelous in everyday life, and create art and literature that draw from the unconscious. The class visits the Colby College Museum of Art to see works related to the course, including by artists who inspired the Surrealists and were considered their forefathers, like Francisco de Goya. We also look at artists close to the movement like Pablo Picasso, and by artists whose art is indebted to Surrealism like Jackson Pollock. Over the course of the semester, students create 2 virtual exhibitions centered on a specific theme featuring works studied in class. As they do so, they become aware of the decisions that go into curating and designing an art show. They come to understand how in a museum or gallery, it's not just the works themselves, but their arrangement that tells a story.